Hello students, myself Komal and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to start with exercise 5.3, example number 17, in which we are having in a school, students thought of planting trees in and around the school to reduce air pollution. It was decided that the number of trees that each section of each class will plant will be the same as the class in which they are studying. As for example, a section of class 1 will plant 1 tree, a section of class 2 will plant 2 tree, and so on till class 12. So there are 3 sections of each class. So we have to find how many trees will be planted by the students. Okay. So first of all, if we are going to make an AP, so class वन का 1, 2 का 2, क्लास 3 के 3, क्लास 4 के 4, अब टू कहाँ तक जाएंगे, क्लास 12 के 12. ओके, ये हो गया इफ़ वी आर हैविंग ओनली वन सेक्शन. हम यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे, सिर्फ एक सेक्शन के लिए एसएन फाइंड करेंगे और फिर उसको हम क्या करेंगे, जो भी आंसर आएगा उसको हम क्या कर देंगे, 3 से मल्टीप्लाई. ओके, सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. Here we are having a, that is first term will be 1, the difference that is 2 minus 1 which is again 1, and we are having n equals to 12, so there are total 12 classes. So now we have to find the Sn, that is Sn is equals to n divided by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is 12 divided by 2 into bracket 2 into 1 plus 12 minus 1 into 1. Okay, so this is 6 into 2 plus 11 which gives 6 into 13. Okay, which gives 6 into 13 and 13 6 are 78. Okay, so now this answer is for the one section of a class, but we are having 3 section of each classes, so therefore we can write that number of tree planted by 3 sections of the classes is equals to 3 multiplied by 78, which gives 234. So therefore 234 trees will be planted by the students. Okay, now move on to next, which is example number 18, in which we are having a spiral is made up of successive semicircles with centers alternatively at A and B. Starting with center at A of radii 0.5 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter, 2 centimeter up to as shown in the figure. Okay, so let me show you the figure. Which figure we are talking about? So this is the figure for the spiral. We are having 2 centers which is A and B. First we have this loop, the second loop, the third loop, the fourth loop, and this continue with the 13th loop. Okay, so as you all know that we have to find the perimeter of semicircle. So हम क्या करेंगे, semicircle का formula apply करेंगे, and then we are having an AP using the semicircle. Okay, so what is the total length of such spiral made up of 13 consecutive semicircles? Okay, so how long we have to go? 13. So let's just have that we are having perimeter of circle, perimeter of semicircle is equals to pi r. Okay, so for the first we are having r which is 0.5. so first p1 क्या हो जाएगा? pi into r1, that is pi into 0.5, and the value will be pi by 2 centimeter. Okay, now for the second perimeter, that is p2 is equals to pi r2, which gives pi into 1, which implies pi centimeter. Okay, now p3 which is equals to pi into r3, which gives pi into 1.5. 1.5 is nothing but 3 by 2, that is 3 pi by 2 centimeter. So now we are having p1, p2, p3 are the length of the semicircles. So what we have to find, that AP will be pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi up to dash. So here we are having the first term, that is A is equals to pi by 2. The common difference D is equals to A2 minus A1, that is pi minus pi by 2, which gives pi by 2. Okay, and now we have to find the Sn. Therefore Sn is equals to n divided by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and here n is what? N is equals to 13. Okay, so let's just start putting all this value, that Sn is equals to 13 divided by 2 into bracket 2 into pi by 2 plus 13 minus 1 into pi by 2. Okay, so this is 13 divided by 2 into bracket 2 gets cancelled, so this is pi plus 12 into pi by 2. ये कितना हो जाएगा? 12 6 जा, सो वी आर हैविंग 13 डिवाइड बाई 2 इंटू 7 पाई, मतलब क्या हो जाएगा? दिस इज पाई प्लस 6 पाई, सो पाई प्लस 6 पाई विल बी 7 पाई. So 13 divided by 2 into 7 pi, and what is the value of pi here? We are having 22 by 7. Okay, so we can put it, that is 13 divided by 2 into 7 into 22 divided by 7. Okay, so now we are having 7 gets cancelled, this is 2 11s are, so we are having 13 into 11, 13 into 11, and the answer will be 143 centimeter. So what we have to find, that as 13, that total of 13 consecutive terms will be 143 centimeter. Okay, we will just stop here. In the next video we will continue with exercise 5.3, and it will be the last video for this particular chapter. And if you are having any query regarding to the exercise or regarding to your textual examples, you can tell me in comment section, so I will surely try to solve those examples. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe the channel.